location of the hotel is outstanding and gives the fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. In this hotel, we stay free